Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm Blue Badge Crypto bringing you another HTR update. But listen, if you're not already on the Twitter, get over there at Blue Badge Crypto. That's where you're going to get the most time-sensitive alerts on trends, trading, and analysis in the market, guys. Let's dive into HTR. We're starting on the 2-day chart for anyone that's new to updates, new to Twitter, new to the channel. If you're new here to HTR, we're in our macro A, B, and C wave correction down here, where we're potentially looking for our C wave bottom down here. And we have some mid time frame trend lines here that we broke through, as well as right here that we've now also broke through. And if we get in a little bit closer here on price action, we can evaluate what we've had going on over here for the past couple of months, where we were looking at price action coming down to this pink line that I had marked for y'all at 5823. Okay, and we had some nice entries off here. Price pumped back above, was trying to reclaim this higher time frame trend line here in the yellow line. Okay, we failed to do so and fell back down. And this is where I was updating y'all on Twitter. Okay, I actually gave y'all this update for this head and shoulders pattern here. Okay, where we had a shoulder, head, shoulder, and our neckline here. And I gave y'all this technical target, and I offered y'all this short opportunity when we were coming down here. And if we zoom in a little bit more here on price action, where we were breaking down from this line and back testing this level as resistance, I actually posted this for y'all on Twitter. So if you're following that on Twitter and you were able to capitalize on a potential short opportunity there, then that has turned out to be a nice trade here. And we have a technical target for this head and shoulders pattern down to our next level of support that I've updated on YouTube, that I've updated on Twitter for y'all at 3195 approximately. Okay, so this was taken from our head and shoulders pattern, where you go from our candle bodies here down to our neckline, and there's your technical target there, and we move that to our point of break, and there's your technical target to the downside, nearly reaching that 3195 target, guys. And you can see where we had this, initial push down, where we were in this descending, broadening wedge pattern, where we nearly made it down to that target. Okay, but we did, we're able to break out of this target and have some push to the upside, and now we're kind of trickling down here again, making somewhat of another descending pattern right here. Do y'all see that? Where we're kind of in this new downtrend consolidation right here. So we could expect price action to continue following that until we saw some type of, break of this line right here, held it as support, and that's where we could see continuation. Do y'all see that? Where we're looking for a breakout of this pattern, similar to what we did right here. We never really got that back test on this pattern because we had so much, buying pressure right here. But often we would want to see a back test of this line as support, and that's where we could see continuation right there, guys. But otherwise, I'm staying patient for this line down here, because I still think we're in this technical target from this head and shoulders pattern that we haven't quite reached yet. And if you're still holding that short position, then you're still doing okay there if you've held through all this price action here. If we pull up the oscillators, we can see a little bit of hidden bullish divergence going on here, where we have a low right here in price, and then a higher low right here in price. And if we match that up on the RSI, right, we have our low and a low on the RSI, and then our local low right here is a lower low. So higher lows in price, but lower lows on the oscillator. That's a hidden bullish divergence right there. So that could just be some type of, showing that we're going to have some type of reversal here. Potentially, maybe we could see that break out of the pattern. If we go to like a 2-day chart and we kind of evaluate what's going on here, take off the drawing so that there's not, too much going on right here, we can see we have something similar with bullish divergence. Okay, so on that lower time frame, we had hidden bullish divergence. And on this higher time frame, we have a little bit of bullish divergence going on. You can see in the market cipher where we made a low and a lower low here, higher low on the market cipher. Similar situation on the RSI, where we essentially created the same low. This one's slightly higher, but a pronounced lower low on this higher time frame 2-day chart, but essentially the same low, if not slightly higher low on the RSI. So again, that's a bullish divergence on the zoomed out 2-day chart, and then hidden bullish divergence on the zoomed in 4-hour chart on our local price action here, guys. So again, that could just spell that we could see some upside here. Again, what you're looking for is a break of this pattern. So go into your chart, get this on your charts, get this pattern in there, and watch for this break and a back test of that line where we could see continuation. And you could target your next level up here of your next resistance at this line at 5823, which again is where we've had previous support, we had previous entries, and we're able to ride those up. So if you were to have that, your first target that you could reach, depending on where it broke out of here, right? If we were to break out immediately, then you're looking at a potential 25% long opportunity right there. if we were to break out this pattern, right? So again, guys, if you see price action coming over here, breaking this line, back testing it at support, that's where we could see continuation right there. Otherwise, we're looking at, this pattern just keep on holding potentially until we were to come down, meet our technical target from that head and shoulders pattern, as well in confluence with that price action level I've had for y'all at 3195, guys. And again, I've said that could potentially be the ultimate bottom for HTR right here on a long-term bottom, right? I mean, barring some wicking down would be. But on a zoomed out look, that is we're getting pretty dang low right here. We can see where this level has proved as support in, historic price action and was once resistance, back here in January 2021, where it then flipped as support here again, barring some wicking right here. So I think that could be an ultimate bottom for HTR potentially if the market were to, respect it as well. So that's what we're looking on HTR, guys. If you found the video helpful, if you enjoyed the video, if you're enjoying the content, throw a like down, throw a comment. It really helps the channel. Thanks for watching, guys.